in the video. Today we are now going to see my sister with her new tablet. I'm using my sister's tablet. And you have to be happy kasi it's a 17 Pro. And I'm upstairs in my house. And you want to see my video, click the like button. And you want to see you see the spider in your bed, don't like and subscribe. Promise.